This oscillating saw is a real game changer in the installation of LED lights. Vibrating back and forth, it doesn't damage the wires, makes a nice clean hole, not a lot of dust. Putting them on and taking them off is a simple process. Like that. Ready to go. So I now have the new Racketeer's hole saw, reciprocating saw, and just show you how easy this is now. Okay, as you see, that's just glided through, the wire's not damaged, everything's finished, and I can move along quickly to my next one. Great tool. Makes every installation easy.